Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix workload view accuracy in Monday.com. Many teams notice that workload numbers look wrong, people seem overloaded, or tasks are not showing correctly. First, let's understand why this happens. Workload view depends on status, date, and effort columns. If these are missing or incorrect, the workload data becomes inaccurate. Step 1, check your people column. Workload only works when tasks are assigned to specific people. Unassigned items won't appear correctly. Step 2, review your date or timeline column. Tasks must have clear start and end dates. Without dates, Monday.com can't calculate workload properly. Step 3, check effort or numbers column. Workload accuracy improves when you assign effort values like hours or points. Make sure these numbers are realistic. Step 4, review status columns. Completed tasks should be marked as done. Otherwise, they still count as active workload. Step 5, adjust workload settings. Open workload view settings and confirm which columns are being used. Select the correct people, date, and effort columns. Step 6, check filters and grouping. Hidden filters can remove tasks from the view. Clear filters to see full workload data. So yeah, fixing workload accuracy in Monday.com is all about correct assignments, dates, effort, values, and settings. Once configured properly, workload view becomes very reliable. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one. Hello, everyone.